vinyl tile, or LVT, and other low-maintenance pre-finished factory flooring types have become increasingly pervasive in commercial environments. The popularity of LVT and similar synthetic flooring is little wonder, given their unique ability to provide any facility with sleek, new designs and low-cost durability. If not properly maintained, however, foot traffic, wheel traffic, and other sources of everyday wear and tear can dull and damage even the toughest floors. Take your floors to the next level and keep them there with Betco's Elevate Multiple Surface System. Even the thickest wear layers become scuffed and scratched without proper maintenance. But not any basic cleaner can do the job. The job needs Elevate Reinforce, a cleaner and protect it with an innovative formula that continually conditions floors and fills scuffs and light scratches in the wear layer, while also efficiently removing dirt, grease, and other soils. Specially formulated for LVT, vinyl, rubber, or linoleum, this neutral cleaner and protectant will preserve your floor's pristine condition, and daily use can extend the life of your floors by up to 25%. When routine maintenance can no longer keep your floors looking new, it may be time to throw your floors a lifeline. Elevate Rescue floor finishes are designed to save protective and decorative layers from daily wear and tear. Formulated to work on all low-maintenance flooring types, Rescue provides the ultimate protection and boasts the best adhesion in its class, making it the most durable and versatile to use across more surfaces. Rescue is available in both high gloss and true matte to retain the natural look of some flooring types. When finish inevitably becomes dull and worn out, use Recover Stripper to safely remove it and elevate your floor once again. Caring for your luxury vinyl tile and other low-maintenance flooring types has never been easier or more effective. With Reinforce Cleaner and Protect It, Rescue Floor Finishes, and Recover Stripper, Betco's Elevate LVT multi-surface system has you covered at every maintenance level. Ask your Betco representative about Elevate or call 888-GO-BETCO.